Kadagadi dao.
Hi,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Aisa and you?
My name is Anissa.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pulau Makassar. What about you?
I'm from Mabarobo.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing football. What's about you?
My hobby is playing badminton.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is light blue. What about you?
My favorite color is blue.
It's worth nice talking to you.
And you? So,